After login, you always start in your home workspace on the default landing page. Let's go through the navigation on the left. Home displays the default landing page independent of your workspace. Clicking on the arrow further down, you can hide the menu or open it up again. The second menu entry is Process. Here you can find the process content of the workspace. You can define a process description, including an overview image. Below the description is a mirrored overview of the elements displayed in your left menu. Go into Workflows and Activities to get an overview of the elements. Navigate upwards with the arrow to get back to the process level. This way you can navigate to work products or any other process element type, for instance, roles. Let's get back to the top level of the workspace. Depending on your role and permissions, you might see the Management menu item. You will find some statistics for popular process elements, workspaces, or element types. You can manage compliance settings, define description templates or tailoring questions, and have other options which will be explained in different videos. In the Settings menu, you can set the meta model of your workspace. This defines the process elements and views available for your process. Another menu item is Reports. Stages provide several out-of-the-box reports for different topics. Clicking on a topic will display an overview of the reports to be executed. If you have the permissions, you will see the Administration menu item. Here you have several options, for instance, define jobs, manage users or set up groups and permissions. You can also define the landing pages which appear under Home or administer workspaces and add new ones.